As of the end of 2022, global 5G population coverage has already reached 35% and is predicted to increase to more than 85% in 2028. While the world still grapples with 5G, the most prominent revolutionary advancement will hit the scene, and it is none other than the 7G. Combining 7G and AI will make a magical blend that will change our lives forever. 7G is a broadband speed of several gigabits per second. It is the product of reducing the wavelength of light in an optical fiber to about 1/7 of the current wavelength. It has the probability of increasing the bandwidth by 7-fold. 7G is an intelligent cellular technology that will take over from 5G and 6G. 7G comes with many promises, but should we expect its implementation anytime soon? Two factors might hinder the rapid exploitation of this new speed. One is the high cost of optical fiber and the structures of the telecommunication systems, which are already designed to fit the current transmission speeds. The hardware needs to be altered to operate at a higher rate. Sadly, even the hardware itself is not available in the market. From the look of things, the cost is way more than the benefits. What new abilities does the 7G network offer? If the 4G and 5G have thrown you back, you are probably not ready to hear this. The 7G offers access to a bandwidth of 100 to 1,000 times more than we already enjoy. It is not limited to phone users alone either. Everyone can make use of the 7G in their homes and cars. Every internet user desires faster speed and a seamless working of applications. 7G is going to do this better. It will allow users to make use of a broader range of applications. Life will drastically become easier. Are there countries currently using the 7G networks? Although 7G might seem like a figment of imagination, it is a prospective wireless network first announced by the ITU, the International Telecommunication Union. It will most likely come to reality in 2030. The high installation costs might be one of the drawbacks to its implementation. When we look at the evolution of Gs in terms of time, it does seem like there's a pattern of approximately 10 years between each generation. From trials to mass market adoption, it follows a somewhat linear path. However, predicting the timeline for future Gs like 6G and 7G can be challenging. Some persons have also introduced the law of accelerated returns, suggesting that technological evolution is speeding up. While this concept holds for some technology areas, it might not apply directly to infrastructure like telecommunications. The development of new Gs heavily depends on technological advancements, economic factors, and the market's readiness. Economic considerations play a significant role in the deployment of new network generations. Once the infrastructure satisfies most users' needs, the financial incentive to move to the following G might diminish, potentially slowing the transition. So, while the law of accelerated returns can apply to certain aspects of technology, the evolution of telecommunication infrastructure is influenced by a complex interplay of economic, technological, and market factors. Predicting precise timelines for future Gs remains a challenging task. Is there a link between AI and 7G? These two relatively new trends have shaken the world for a while. AI on its own has caused a major uproar and raised a lot of ethical issues. Notwithstanding, bringing these two wonders together is something out of this world. The result can best be compared to what we have in movies. But interestingly, it is a reality that we have to brace ourselves for. Have you ever heard of smart cities? Well, it is a unique place with intelligent transportation arrangements to help tackle traffic congestion. The buildings in this city will efficiently use energy. Intelligent cities are synonymous with a more sustainable urban environment. 7G and AI will make these cities livable and responsive to the people's demands. Smart homes will also be heavily impacted as the 7G and AI promise to increase their smartness. Since 7G will have higher bandwidth and low latency, smart homes will be able to respond faster to the requests of their users, thus making them more intuitive. For some time now, there has been the advent of autonomous vehicles. 7G networks and AI can be used to make the vehicles more responsive to their surroundings. For example, AI-powered cameras and sensors will become more proactive with 7G. They will be able to make decisions concerning speed and direction in a faster way. Such development will help to prevent accidents from occurring. 7G can revolutionize the communication industry and create a more connected and efficient world. The revolution of 7G. There are three main things that the 7G network will change, and they include ultra-reliable, low-latency communication, URLLC, enhanced mobile broadband, EMBB, and massive machine-type communication, MMTC. Each of these factors is important in the communication sector. URLLC is all about fast and reliable communication like what we need for self-driving cars and remote surgery. The EMBB makes everything online faster, so you can stream high-quality videos and have a better time gaming. Then we also have the MMTC, which connects many devices in the Internet of Things, making it easier and cheaper for different industries to talk to each other. There are already multiple ethical issues concerning AI, and the integration of 7G with AI will worsen. People have argued that using AI algorithms in making decisions about human lives poses moral dilemmas. Several countries have reacted to these questions by creating laws that will reduce the use of AI within their borders. An excellent example is Italy, where the AI chatbot ChatGPT is now illegal. It is the only way that the nation could combat the disadvantages of AI. We cannot rule out security concerns from integrating 7G and AI technologies. 7G networks will connect more devices and generate more data, leading to the rise of cyber attacks. The famous AI algorithms need data to function, and any breach in the security of this data can have severe consequences for individuals and businesses. Therefore, before the mobile service providers adopt the 7G, they need to consider its potential negativity. They should also have measures in place to combat it and protect their customers. Can AI improve the capabilities of the 7G network? AI has the potential to make 7G better in many ways, starting with the network performance. AI algorithms can study loads of data from the network, give us an understanding of how to use it, and detect any problems with how well it's working. This data analysis helps network operators make the network work even better by managing traffic smarter, using resources more wisely, and making things happen faster. It means you get quicker speeds and a much better time when AI and 7G are integrated. AI also plays a significant role in making 7G better by predicting when things might go wrong. You see, 7G networks are pretty complex, and when the equipment breaks, it can cause many problems and stop things from working. But with AI, network operators can look at data from the equipment and figure out likely issues before they happen. It helps them fix things before they cause trouble, which means less time with no service and fewer interruptions. AI can make 7G networks safer too. It's like having a security guard that watches the network constantly. AI looks at the network traffic as it happens and can spot things that might be harmful, like viruses or cyber attacks. When it sees something fishy, it tells the network operators so they can act fast and keep the network safe. This way, your data stays protected and there's less chance of bad guys getting in. AI is a field that's growing fast, and as we step into a world where everything's super connected and based on big data, it will become even more critical in our daily lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. That means there will be some significant challenges regarding things like keeping our information private, ensuring everything's secure, and making ethical choices. When you mix AI with 7G, it's like a recipe for changing how we live. We're talking about smart homes, self-driving cars, and more. AI and machine learning make things better for us and make the 7G network work even smoother. And as these remarkable technologies keep improving, get ready for some fantastic new ways they will be used, making our world super connected and intelligent. Are you looking forward to the rise of the 7G networks? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you found this content valuable. We'll see you in the next one.